guys, it's Ace, and if you didn't know, today's my birthday.
Happy birthday!
And I got lots of beautiful presents from my mom, but that's not it. Today's not my birthday party. It's...
Oh, I thought it's gonna make sound.
Today's my actual birthday, but I'm celebrating my birthday party with my friends on April 5th. On April 5th, on Saturday, with my friends. Today's just neighbors and people. Yeah, I'm having my birthday party celebrating with my friends on April 5th, Saturday. Okay, so, after I did my homework, I was doing my last piece of homework, my mom showed me this gift. She plopped it down on my unicorn and my bunny. So, yeah. And it's in this box-shaped thing. And so, yeah, let's open it up. It's a box.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you for the box, Mommy.
You're very welcome, Ace.
I think there's something in it.
No, you're kidding, right? Can't be. Yeah, that was tight. What?
I've got scissors. Okay, so
Careful. Be careful.
there we go.
That was quick.
That was quick.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Don't cut the one inside. So be very careful. That was great.
That was good.
Oh,
That was
yeah.
good. He's like, that was quick.
She's back.
I don't know what's in it. I'm gonna show the camera first.
Yeah, you gotta take off whatever's covering it first. Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Oh my goodness. Teddy bear. Petty. No. Okay. So first we got some. Okay, we got some memo paper. It's just single file memo paper. It's not a memo pad or anything, but they're really super cute memo paper.
Mommy used to collect those. Different types.
And they smelled good.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Okay, so there's this pink macaroon and blue macaroon. And this pink one looks like a lot like Rakia Kuma. And I got another one of those. And then we have this macaroon thingy. And yeah, so they look like squishies. So I'm excited to see what's in it. So did you guys see?
Nah.
Okay. I'm so happy and scared.
What do you think is that?
I'm thinking it's a jar with bugs in it. No. I'm thinking it's a squishy.
Another squishy?
I think.
Why would you think it's a squishy?
Because it, I recognize this company. They sell squishies.
No, that was the box that you gave me.
What?
Remember I asked you for a box? That was the box that you gave me.
Oh. Wait. Oh, this is probably Papa's,
Hurry up, I have to,
That's up. Okay, here we go. Okay, see it?
No.
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
It's a squishy.
What kind of squishy?
A macaroon squishy with the whipped macaroon. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my goodness. I have a feeling I'm going to get more later on tonight.
That's about it. Sorry to burst your bubble.
That's mean.
Sorry. Happy birthday.
No, I think you're going to get more. You're just joking. If you're not joking, then you're just
You opened it up already.
So, I want to open it. It's so soft. Look at that.
Alright.
Okay. Well, thank you, Mommy. I love you so much. And I hope I get more of these. And I just hope that I'll get more on my birthday on Saturday. And I hope I get more today or tonight. Thank you so much for this yellow Koreakumo with the whipped macaroon. It's so squishy. And I love it so much. You know what I wanted. And yeah. Thank you. Love you. Bye.